Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to bid on freelancer. So firstly you will have to open the freelancer app on this Android device by logging your account. So when you will have to open this, and you can see the recent projects are here, so you can choose any randomly. So here is the job description and the price budget, so you can read it carefully, and here you can describe your proposal and write to bid from here, the pink button. So here you can write a bid. So this is how to apply. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.